I am back on YouTube. I've been putting out my last 8 videos out consistently every single week, and it wasn't so easy to actually get here. So I wanted to tell you about my story. Today it's going to be a little bit different. My video has no structure, there is no script. I just wanted to talk to you guys and let you know what's been going on lately with making videos. And I know a lot of you guys have been trying to figure out how do you grow your YouTube channel? What kind of things can you do to implement to get better at making videos? And one of the things that I learned that is that it's really about just trying to just do it. And not trying to just do it, but just do it. That's one of the things that I feel that has helped me a lot. And I want to continue making videos for you guys, continue to bring you the best content I can give you. And just like I said, this video won't have any structure. Just wanted to lay it out, what's been going on, how did I get back here, and some of the things that I'm looking to do in the next few months to the next few years. I see this as a long game. It's a marathon. There's so many things that go into making videos, and trust me, it's not easy, but you can definitely get through it. So I just wanted to talk to you guys and let you know that you're not alone when it comes to feeling frustrated and knowing that you want to put out a video, but maybe you're almost at that moment where you might just fall off and leave the channel alone for many months or many years, and then finally come back to realize that what if you actually started putting out videos consistently. And it's a struggle, it's a challenge, and I know a lot of you guys are going to get through it. So as long as you work on your mindset first, and I think that's probably one of the things that helped me a lot, by the way, building a stronger mindset. And just for anything, not just making videos, whatever it is, whatever goal you have, things that you want to accomplish, it really comes to working on your mindset first, because without the right mindset, you're just not going to have the ability to continue or have the willpower to continue doing what you want. And one of the things that I did was figure out how to build more consistency in my life. That came through working out, finding specific times, creating a schedule where I would get up and go straight to working out, because it really set my day. I started waking up early. First, I would wake up at 7 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Then it got pushed to 5, and now it's anywhere between 4:30 and 5. I always wake up. And a lot of people think, well, waking, how is that going to change everything for you? Well, it's not, but it's helping a lot. Just being able to get up early in the morning, uh, committing to the fact that of why I'm doing this, has led me to set my day for the rest of the day. Just continuing to do the things that I feel that I have to do. Now it's more of a non-negotiable for me. So working out has really set my day to do sometimes things that I don't feel like doing. And so starting with that, that's number one. Finding a way to create more discipline in your life is going to lead you to do things that are going to help you even more in the long run. And making videos has been an amazing journey so far. In the beginning, when I started, I remember when I used to almost pull my hair, because I would get frustrated that I have an edit that would take anywhere between 8 to 12 hours to complete. And there's so many parts that go into this, whether it be doing researching, editing, and of course shooting, and then editing, and then finally having a final product to put it out there and share with the world, and marketing. And it hasn't been an easy project, I'll tell you, but it's going to take a very long time to finally complete a full year of just putting out content. And I've been on a roll to continue to do this, as I still have a business to run on the side. Sometimes if you really want something, you can do it. It's just a matter of having the desire, that want of, can you make it happen, and what will you sacrifice to make that happen. uh, so for any of you guys who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, who are trying to figure out how to get better, it's really about repetition and just showing up. I know that some of you guys are gonna, unlike me, I'm not a perfectionist. I sometimes feel that I should be, but perfection, I think, is it stunts people's growth, right? Because you want to be so perfect that sometimes there's a piece of content that you don't feel so confident about, so you don't put it out. And like this video, just not having a script, right? Just telling you how I feel about what it takes to do anything, whatever it is you want to do. This is just me being vulnerable to you. There's no editing here. Just wanted to share a little bit about my struggle as a content creator. There's so many things that are in my mind right now that I have to do, and this is one of them. This is my non-negotiable for the week, and I have people to hold account to be held accountable for. In fact, I have an accountability partner right now who I'm working with on making YouTube videos. Our goal is to continue to put out videos until the end of the year, and we are now in April. We started this back in February. Now on our ninth video. This is our ninth video, and it's a big journey. Just like anything, you just have to dedicate your time to it. You have to work really hard to find a way to make it work for you, because if you really want it, you're gonna get it. So guys, just know that if I'm on my ninth video, um, I don't. This is not about getting millions of views or becoming famous for me. It's not about making money, because I enjoy making videos. I enjoy editing more than anything else. But I know that eventually I'm gonna start outsourcing a lot of the work. Uh, I want to be able to get more comfortable being in front of the camera, become a better communicator. Those are some of the things that I feel that I want to get out of this. And who knows what this is going to turn out to be like. I want to help other people. I want to help them grow their channel, because they're gonna get to a point where they'll be facing the struggles that I was facing now. And as I continue to get better, that's really my goal, just to continue helping other people, show them that if you really want to get something done, that it is possible to do it, so as long as you have a strong mindset. And that's really what this video is all about. Work on your mindset. Surround yourself with good people, people who support you. Find an accountability partner, and just stay focused, because I believe that if you really want it, you're gonna make it happen. And like I said today, guys, there's no script. Just wanted to come on here, say hi to everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next few weeks I will be bringing you more videos on how to continue to create content, what it takes to be a content creator, and I'll take you behind the scenes, to from the shooting to the editing to researching and scripting. And if you have any ideas of things that you would like to learn about, then I'd love to go ahead and help you out. Other than that, guys, have a great day, have a great week, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'll see you on the next one.